Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful night tonight. I figured that we do an unboxing from Fgnormal. They sent me 3 paintings. So let us begin. Okay, so the first one is called Living Riding Bicycle Girl. Very pretty. So let me pick her up so you can see her. She's 30 by 30 centimeters. She's got 20 colors, no ABs. So let's see how sticky it is. Super sticky. This one is a very cool painting actually, guys. I don't know if you can see the picture that well, but it's basically this very pretty girl with a very pretty dress. I think she's got sneakers on, I'm not sure, I can't really tell. And she's got a nice bag and a little basket on the back of her bike. She just went for a little bike ride. All she needs is a little dog, a little doggy there. But anyway, okay, so it looks very, very clear. Let's pick it up so you can see. There. All right, let's look at the colors. So this one is, since I've got 3 here, I gotta make sure. Okay, these are the drills that go with this one because it says A898 and this one says A898. Okay, so it comes with the tray, wax, and a pen. And let's see if I can get this open. I always have to figure out where. I tell you. Okay, here it is. Sorry about all that noise. Okay. Move this up so we can see the colors better. It looks like they're in order, which is nice. So let us begin with the first one. So the first one is like a very pretty pink. We've got a blue, lots of blues and grays. Red, orange. It looks like the red and the orange. Well, the red goes on her dress and the pink goes on her dress. The orange, probably the basket. More blues. And we have actually 3 of these. This must be the background. Very light pink for the background. That's going to look pretty. And this must be for the bike, the colors, the blue. And that's that sage color that I love. Like a peachy color. Oh, I love all these colors, guys. Pink, like a light orange, corals. Very pretty. And a blue and another orange. So, very nice. All right, let's move on to the next one. And oh, before I forget, like I mentioned before, this is a 30 by 30. And this one is $4.70. Very cool. Okay, let's move that over there. Okay, the next one you guys are going to love. It's a gnome and it's a fall gnome. But this one is called Pumpkin Goblin. Okay, and he's basically, oh my god, he's just adorable. Very, very bright colors. He's basically sitting on top of a pumpkin, and a pumpkin says welcome. There's a sunflower, actually sunflowers, leaves are falling. Love the blue the background. Another pumpkin here, and he's having a I don't know, is that like a chocolate oh my god, what do you call that? A hot fudge chocolate? Oh gosh, I just forgot. That must be hot chocolate with some whipped cream on top and maybe a cinnamon stick. Don't know. But anyway, let me pick them up so you can see. Very, very cute. Very round nose. All right, this one is 30 by 40. This one has 24 colors. And again, no ABs. And this one's $5.87. Love everything about this one. Very sticky. Okay, let's see. So this one is, let's see, it's this one here. Okay, very fall colors. And again, they all come with a tray, wax, and a pen. Let's put that aside. Let's get this open. Sorry about the noise. Oh my gosh, I love the colors on this one. All right, so this one has 24 colors, and I believe they are in order. Yep. So let's move the painting right there so you can see him. All right. So let me just turn it maybe this way so you can see better the colors. Just beautiful. It's like an orange, like a red orange. Lots of orange. And then you have a gray, more red orange, more orange. I believe that all this orange is probably for the pumpkin and the leaves and the hat. You got yellow for the sunflowers, more orange. Oh my gosh. I love, love, love all the colors. This must be probably for this pumpkin here, that light pink color. Then you have the brown, probably for the sunflowers. The middle of the sunflower, I believe, is brown. Then you have this like light peach, green, beautiful greens and blues. Wow, that's probably going to be for the leaves. Absolutely beautiful. And this is probably for his drink. Love all the colors on this one, guys. Yeah. Okay, and this one, like I mentioned before, it's 30 by 40, and it's $5.87. And this was called Pumpkin Goblin. Let me pick him up so you can see him. Look how clear and adorable he is. It says welcome. This is actually very nice to have in your craft room. Yeah? So you can welcome your family and friends. Love it. All right, so let's do the next one. Let's put we don't want to mix the, yeah. Let's put that over there. And this one is this was called Cloak Gorjuss doll. I absolutely love all of Gorjuss. I have actually stamps. Okay, so this one is 30 by 40, and this one's $5.87. She's got 20 colors, no ABs again, but she's just beautiful. I don't even think she needs maybe here in the middle, AB, and maybe her shoes, make them shiny. But it's just gorgeous. I absolutely love all the Gorjuss dolls. Okay, if I can get this to lift here. Oh, mamma mia. Okay, there it is. Okay, super, super sticky. Yep. Let me bring her up so you can see how clear. See that? Absolutely. See, she's got like a little book in her hand. And she's got a very pretty cape. Love the cape and the dress and her red shoes. And I think this is a squirrel. I think that's a squirrel. So she's basically, looks like she's laying down on the leaves, the fall leaves. Just beautiful. Love her hair. Okay, very fallish too, guys. And it comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. And let's look at the beautiful colors. And I believe, yeah, this one has 20 colors. Okay. Which is not bad. Oops, so I'll drop that one. And I love that they're in order. I love that. Okay, let's see. All right, here's number one. Let's start. The red must be her dress. It's like a dark, dark purple. Then you've got black. This is like a, oh gosh, sort of like a purple, like a light purple. Love that color too. Then you've got green, a mustard color, a light brown, a darker red brown. This is like a reddish brown too, but a lighter one than this one. This is a blue. The blue is probably for her cloak. Then you've got gray. And I believe you got, yep, two of these. Yeah, two grays. And then like a chocolate, probably for her hair. Green, peachy color, pink, green, and more. And oh gosh, look at these blues, guys. Wow. And of course this last one here, it's like a red orange. I wonder if it's probably for her shoes. Anyway, so that's about it, guys, for tonight. Those are the three that I have from Fgnormal. So let me put them all together so you can see them better. Is that good? I don't know. Anyway, that's it. That's it for tonight. Bye-bye. Thank you.